Salut ICCash. My name is Sonia, I'm from Serbia, LC Fon from Belgrade. I would like to tell you what I'm doing here right now. I'm a management intern, a people management intern, and I have been here for 6 months already. I have come to this traineeship via ISEC. I spent 1 year in ISEC developing my experiences, which I must say helped me a lot during this traineeship, because in ISEC we develop a lot of soft skills, as well as diligence, hard work, and this is what the multinational company is usually looking for in young professionals. This has been a wonderful experience. I have met many wonderful people, ISECers from all corners of the world, and they're just amazing people, very ambitious, very hardworking, and this will help me this network will help me when I go back home to keep implementing my project. I can suggest to everyone to go for this opportunity, because you will not regret it, I'm sure, as none of us here on this project have. Bye!